Hello guys, welcome to the Tungabhadra Networks. Hi to everyone. Guys, the agenda of this real-time projects is here almost non-technical candidates, right? So they don't know what are the networking tools and monitoring tools and what are the hardware level issues and protocol level issues. Okay, guys, once you complete these real-time project videos and materials, you get to know all these. As a network engineer, we need to know what are the monitoring tools and networking tools, what are the hardware level issues and protocol level issues. Guys, once you receive the password from our team, okay, first we need to log into this website, our Tungabhadra network website. See, here we have a real-time projects. Here, see, downside we have a real-time project videos. Okay, if you open this, okay, let me open. So here the password will ask our team members is shared password, right? Real-time projects. So please enter here and click on enter. So the display will be shows like this, real-time project training. So these are the documents, guys. See, we have a 1 2 3 4 5 documents is there, and see, these are the videos, real-time project training videos. Okay, open this. Here we have a almost 10 videos, guys. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 videos is there, guys. Okay, so see here in this first video explain what are the network architectures, what are the high level designs and low level designs, everything in this video covered. Okay, this is the hardware level issues and networking tools and monitoring tools and protocol level issues, and everything is there. See here resume preparation is also there as a. So in this video you can see how
నా చార్జర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది నా చార్జర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ ఉంది తీసుకో థాంక్యూ త్వరగా అమ్మా బతికింది ఫోన్ అంత కంగారు పడుతున్నావు ఛార్జింగ్ 1% ఉందా ఛా 1% 30% ఉంది నాకు ముందు జాగ్రత్త
Hi everyone, thanks for
see in this video you can see how to prepare a resume. Okay guys, so please follow the procedure. First you can see this video, and here we have a document for this. Okay, just a second. See, this is the document, first document, enterprise architecture. And coming to the second video, see here the hardware level issues. So after completion of these hardware level issues, okay, please go through this document, second document. So first you can complete the video, then go for document. Okay, if you have any doubts, okay, we have a group, guys, real time project mentor group, so you will be already there. So if you have any doubts, so please highlight there, we are ready to help you guys. Please utilize this opportunity. Okay, so after completion of these videos and materials, okay, you get to know what are the protocol level issues, hardware level issues, what are the monitoring tools, what are the ticketing tools. You get to know all these things. So if you join any company as a network engineer, we need to know this compulsory. Okay, what are the hardware level issues, protocol level issues, what are the networking ticketing tools and monitoring tools. If you receive any issues, what are the steps as a network engineer we need to take to solve these hardware level issues and protocol level issues. Everything you can see in these videos. Okay, so here after completion of these videos and materials, okay guys, we can conduct 2 interviews, first round and second round. First round will take by my team and second round I will take. Okay, so after completion of these videos, if any have vacancies, we can refer you guys. After completion of your first round and second round, we can note it. Okay, so and so person is completed 2 round of interview, he is technically good, like that we can note it, and we can, if you have any vacancies, we can refer you guys. Okay, so this is the procedure. This is a small section because you don't know how to process this real-time projects, right? So this is a small section to guide you guys, so please follow this video. Okay, if you have any doubts, we have a group in WhatsApp, so please highlight there. Okay, we are ready to help you guys. Okay, thank you guys, bye, take care.